Guys, this is the Demo Derby 2, first episode, and here is the very first car you ever get. So we're going to be driving around in the hub, as usual. So, anyways, this is actually the first Demo Derby game that actually has a hub, but I think anyways. So, and yes, there's police on here, which when you ram into them, you actually get chased by them, which is a cool part about this game. Plus, this is one of your, as you guys say, terrible games, but actually quite isn't. It's actually a very fun game. So, I'm kind of just going around, zooming around town in my derby car, hitting a bunch of police cars, usual stuff. Really, for all you Demo Guy fans, this isn't really one of your usual stuff. So really, this kind of hub, there's a lot of glitches here. I'm going to be going to a race. I shall show you, I should show you about this game. I go in here, full. I'm using the very first car for the, for a demolition derby. So I'm just going to be doing this. We drive it around. And this game is actually very free. It isn't 2 players. And there is a first game, but I think this one's more better. Plus, my tactic, if any of you guys want to get this game, my tactic is to keep circling around to get enough speed to ram them. And you ram them at the engine. So, after you'll be able to just drive around, go up, and go down, speed it, or sometimes you might even not even hit any car yet. Anyways, so I hit a car right there. This actually might take a while. So yeah, this is going to be taking a while. So I'm going for that. Drive up, go down. So yeah, I finished that race, which was a bit hard to do, but I did get through it. If only your car would stay wrecked after your race. Anyways, well, not technically a race, but it is still a tiny little hub. You're always driving around. Some pretty good music on this game as well. Oh, I slept. And if any of you guys know a lot about physics, I do too. Because this is one of the games that physics do not apply to this game. Physics doesn't even want to see this game. And physics is not a person. Physics is what happens in real life. None of this could happen in real life. A demolition derby and being chased by police, yeah, that could be happening in real life. But all these stuff that I'm doing, especially going through a cinder block without even crashing right into it, that is not real. You can never do that. Like seriously, you cannot do that and land a barrel roll, and how the heck did I do that? Oh geez, front flip and rolling, going on my side now. See if I actually land on my wheels, and no, I'm still rolling. That's the one flaw about this car. Yeah, you wait a while before it starts getting its grip back together. There's a lot of glitches on this game, and I'll be trying to show you some on the next episodes. I remember, if you can't talk, you can subscribe every time, watch our videos every time, stay on the channel of the Pixel Bros. Yes, you'll be able to find some funny glitches on here. And as I showed you one, I should be. So, I'm doing that. Go around, 10 laps, 9 guys. And I'm gonna try this map this time. And yes, you have to get enough coins to buy all these maps. And coins do not come from you paying actual money to get it. You actually play these levels to get coins. Some of these races are actually really hard. I haven't even got to first yet. Oh jeez. Yes, you can ram other people off the edge. It's pretty fun. Keep ramming them until you fall off the edge. And yes, this game is about speed. Almost kind of like Asphalt 8, if any of you guys don't know what that is. It is another racing game. Pretty cool for styles of cars, but when you're gameplay, physics do not apply to that game either. Most of these racing games, physics does not apply. Man, that race did take a long time, but I finished it. And yes, I'm going back into Hub to show you something that maybe some of you guys didn't know about, if any of you guys play this game. And yes, this is on Android device, and really, I have no idea if it goes on Apple device. Plus, anyways, for this glitch, I have to slow down right here, speed up a bit, slow down, speed up a bit, so on, after right here, and I'll be showing glitches like this. Oh jeez. Come on, I can't even get through it. Okay, there you go. I'll be showing glitches like this. The infinite abyss, where you can go into an area where it's complete infinite abyss. You can see the entire layout on a map while you're driving down to your utter destruction. Plus, the only way to escape from here is if you go back to here. Sadly. Sad, but I'm gonna have to end this video for now. This is Pixel Bros coming to you on YouTube. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye. Okay, I actually have a whole bunch of police after me to try to kill me. Oh jeez. I better keep going, I better run. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep going. I'll keep going maybe to the end of the bit. See if I can no, I can't escape in there. Oh my god, oh my god! I lost the wheel, I lost the wheel. If I just flip, I got hit by another police car. Flip. I'm really dead. And yes, this could happen to you. This could be you when you're playing this game. With your right wheel gun and your back left wheel gun. This could be you right now. Trust me, this is something that you do not want to happen to you. Totally not fun to have. Okay. Gotta go out without flipping. Yes, it's very easy to flip like that. I don't know how I did that. Yes, I'll be showing more glitches like this on the next episode. Oh jeez. Gotta keep going. Gotta go really fast. Race! Car. Yeah, hit it. There we go. That blank police car after me. Oh jeez. Hit by another car. Oh jeez. The police cars are after me. Oh jeez, I flipped. Anyways, I'm gonna have to actually end this video for now. So remember, police cars can be chasing after you like this. Goodbye.